Welcome and thank you for visiting our Australian Partner Visa page. I'm Stuart Colson, the Principal Solicitor at Turner Colson Immigration Lawyers. So in this brief video, what I'd like to do is talk about preparing, lodging and strategies for Australian Partner Visa applications. So, looking at a Partner Visa application, when we do move to prepare and lodge, there are two separate applications that have to be lodged. That is the visa application and sponsorship by the Australian partner. To succeed, there are three grounds upon which a partner visa application can move forward. That is, you are married to an Australian, you are living in a de facto relationship, or have registered your relationship, or in the alternative can establish compelling, compassionate circumstances for the grant of the visa. Australian partner visas are rigorously tested by the Australian Immigration Department, and therefore they must be well prepared and well evidenced to succeed. In terms of the evidence that we look to provide with an application, there are four categories of evidence set down by regulations that we must focus on. They are nature of the commitment, nature of the household, and social aspect, and of course financial commitment. Stuart, what happens if I haven't got a visa? Can I still lodge a partner visa? Certainly when you haven't got a visa in Australia, it does create further challenges to success, but as long as you haven't been refused a partner visa, then you can still be granted a partner visa. You do have what's called a Schedule 3 issue, which I won't go into further detail about now, but as long as we can meet Schedule 3 and you have not been refused a partner visa, then you can still move to lodge, obtain a bridging visa, and ultimately have chances of succeeding in your applications. What happens if we don't have 12 months living together or we're not married? So in assessing this type of application, what we look to do is register the relationship. So the impact of registering an Australian relationship, for example, with births, deaths and marriages in New South Wales, is it sets aside the 12-month living together rule. And so what that means is I don't have to evidence the 12 months prior to the date of visa application. Yes, I've got to prove that the relationship is developed genuinely and is a genuine relationship, but the evidence then looks forward, right, to the time of decision. So it's a significant impact. Also, the courts have determined that registration can in fact occur after lodgement of visa. Now, there's a number of complexities that arise out of registration after lodgement, and they really need to be looked at on a case-by-case basis. What happens if I have condition 8503, no further stay, or my partner does on their previous visa? The impact of an 8503 condition is to stop you validly lodging any visa in Australia other than a protection visa. So if your partner or you have 8503, then we can't go forward and lodge the visa. The application that we have to make at that stage is to seek waiver of condition 8503. For further information on condition 8503 waivers, you can visit our 8503 page. Now we'll look at sponsorship limitations. So as I said earlier, when you lodge an Australian partner visa, you must also lodge an application for approval as a family sponsor. There are sponsorship limitations that apply. For example, a sponsor can only sponsor a partner visa once in 5 years or two in a lifetime. There are waiver provisions that apply, so you can get around that limitation, but of course, such an application must be properly prepared and properly argued to succeed. Also, there are limitations for approval of sponsorship applications where specific criminal offences have occurred or the sponsor has been charged and convicted of those offences. They relate very much to crimes of violence or stalking, intimidation, harassment. So again, they really need to be looked at on a case-by-case basis. And of course, we have the experience to do that as solicitors. This is our general disclaimer, so please understand that the information I provide on this video and any videos on this website is general information. It's not specific advice. It cannot be relied upon to lodge any visa application, and its accuracy can only be confirmed at the time of filming this video. So again, If you're needing specific advice, please contact us at Turner Colson. We're happy to have a preliminary discussion at no charge, identify that we can help you, and then from there, if you come and see us, of course, fees would apply. So again, remember, this is general discussion, not specific advice.